Alam mo, this is probably one of the best Careline products that I have tried. I'm talking about the Careline Shadow Palette in Slumber Party. This is very neutrals eyeshadow, perfect for beginners, soft glam, perfect for evening, perfect for day makeup. As in, this one is a really, really, really good eyeshadow palette. Ay, yung palette na yan, maliliit lang sila pero sobrang pasabog nila. I wish they can improve their packaging kasi yung packaging nila parang watercolor but the quality of this eyeshadow is really good. Itong purple shade na yan. 1, 2, 3. See? Yung kanyang color payoff talagang nandun. Like, hands down to this eyeshadow. This is very affordable eyeshadow. So, try natin yung matte, this one. One of my fave shade in this palette. Ooh, sinong mag-aakalang Careline yan, di ba? As in, sobrang ganda nito. So, let's do my eyeshadow using this Careline Slumber Party eyeshadow palette. I love like a good base. Gamitin natin tong color na to for the whole eyelids. Ayan. Using a blending brush. So, lagay mo yan for the whole eyelids. Oh my God, ang ganda. And then yung kanyang blendability, grabe oh, sobrang fine shit. Charot. Ayan. Once you apply it with a brush, yung kanyang color payoff, medyo nadi-diffuse siya ng very light, which make it very blendable. Ayun, oh, ang daling mag-eyeshadow. Actually, pwede na yan. Oh. Sabog na yan. Pero be-blend pa natin yan ng more and more. Ang ganda ng transition color. Talagang tumatransition siya. Make sure you blend above the crease. Fluffy blending brush yung gamit ko para at least maganda yung kanyang blending. Itaas mo lang to para medyo snatch look. This also. And then with the same brush and the same color, lagay ka lang dito sa waterline. Huwag kang matakot kasi light color lang naman. Huge, o diba? So it is really important to use the right brush when you're doing the eyeshadow. So dagdag factor na lang rin talaga yung eyeshadow product na ginagamit mo. Talaga sobrang ganda oh. Isang palette pa lang yan but the color payoff with the light eyeshadows, ang ganda, di ba? And then ako, I love blending here. Gusto ko nagbe-blend ako dyan, malapit sa eyebrows and malapit sa nose. Pang contour, magko-contour tayo ng nose using this shade. So from eyebrows to ano. Yan. Ganun ako mag-contour. Ayan, actually medyo naging dark yung color niya. But you have to blend it para perfect na. So, biniblend ko siya ng powder brush para malighten yung color. Since napa-dark yung lagay ko, ay hindi ko siya dinend. Ayan. Hugs pasabog. Perfect. Ayan. Nose contour. Sorry. Let's put some dark color using the same color na nilagay ko sa aking nose contour. Lalagay ka here sa outer crease ng iyong eyes. You want to connect the line, parang gagawa ka ng eyeliner dyan. And then connect it, but hindi ka mag-go all the way sa crease. So dito lang, halfway lang. Ayan, nakikita nyo na ba? Hooks on the other side, ayan. Sundan mo lang yung buto. Nagko-close yung talukap. Ayan, dito. Ayan, kuha ka ulit, tap the excess. Lagay ka naman dito. Tapos pagko-connectin mo siya, connect it. And then blend. Boogs. Uy, ganda oh. Look at the blendability of this eyeshadow. Sobrang gorgeous. And of course, on the lower lash line, same brush, lalagay ka lang dyan. But, hanggang dito na lang din. Ayan. Hindi ka na mag-go all the way dun sa iyong eyes. gusto kong i-build up yung color dito para mas ma-intensify siya. And also yung pataas dito kasi it would make your eyes very sharp, very lifted, ganon. Very foxy eye. Go back to the blending brush na una mong ginamit and then just blend it. Hindi ka nakukuha ng product sa eyeshadow palette. Kung ano yung natira, yun yung ipapang-blend mo. Make sure you blend it well. Yung wala siyang harsh lines para hindi siya patchy-patchy tingnan. Get a brush like this. Tapos kunin mo tong golden foiled metallic eyeshadow. Actually, you can use your finger, pero ako mas gusto ko lang ng brush. Oo, di ba? Grabe yung eyeshadow na to. Tingnan nyo. 1, 2, 3. Para kung gumamit ka ng mamahaling eyeshadow but you pay for less but still the quality is there. Talagay ka lang dun sa buong eyelids. Ayan, ang ganda, grabe. Diyos ko po. And of course, lalagay ka na rin here sa tear duct. Muta effect. One of my favorite part, maglalagay ka dito sa lower lash line. So make sure hindi mapasukan yung eyes mo ng glitters. That's why you have to dab a little bit. So it would make the makeup parang mas fresh, mas glowing tingnan. Then wag kang matakot kasi even the fallout, very minimal lang talaga. That's why I super love this eyeshadow. Yan, o diba? Perfect yung eyeshadow. I'm just gonna do my eyeliner, my mascara, my false eyelashes, contact lenses, and the whole makeup. I will be back.